Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make delicious Nigerian fish roll. If you want to know how I made this Nigerian snack, continue watching as I share with you guys on how to make this. So here are the ingredients for the dough. Here I have 500 grams of flour, half tablespoon yeast, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons margarine, half teaspoon grated nutmeg, vegetable oil for frying. This is 1 cup of water, that is 250 ml of water. So here are the ingredients for the fish roll dough. So here I've sifted the flour and I'm adding sugar, salt, yeast, grated nutmeg. I'll be mixing everything together. I'm adding the margarine and I'll be rubbing the margarine in the flour. So after rubbing the margarine in the flour, this is how it will look like. Hope you guys are seeing it. Then I'll be adding water a little at a time. As I add the water, I mix. And I'll continue to knead until I get a non-sticky dough. Remember to add the water a little at a time. Very important. So like I said, I'll continue to knead until I get a non-sticky dough. So this is the dough. I'll be covering with a foil and I'll leave for 30 minutes. So I'll be setting this aside for 30 minutes. And here is the ingredients for the fish roll filling. Here I have fish, ice fish. I season the fish with onion. Then I have curry powder here, rosemary spice. This is dry pepper, blended onions, and I'll be needing little oil. So I've deboned the fish and I'll be mashing the fish. Alright, so for the fish, I seasoned and boiled with onion and seasoning cubes, so it's very tasty. That's why I'm not adding salt and seasoning cube. So the fish is very tasty. So I'm adding the dried Cameroon pepper, rosemary spice, curry powder, and blended onions. I'll be mixing everything together. So this is the ingredients for our fish roll filling. So I'm done with mashing the fish. The next step is to add little oil on a low heat, and we'll be stir frying this fish for like 3 to 4 minutes on a low heat, remember. So we are done with stir frying the fish. I'm going to leave it to cool. So the next step is to break in the eggs, or the egg in a plate. So this egg is for sealing our fish roll. All right, so I'm whisking, so we'll be using it to seal up the fish roll. So here is the dough after 30 minutes. As you guys can see, it has doubled. So I've transferred it on a flat surface, and it's time to roll our fish roll. So I'll be cutting it into two, like half. Hope you guys are seeing what I'm doing. So if you want your fish roll very long, just leave it without cutting it into two halves. I want a medium-sized fish roll, so that was why I divided, the dough. So it's time to roll our dough with the aid of a rolling pin. I'm flattening the dough. After flattening the dough, I'm going to be putting the fish filling. Hope you guys are seeing the rolling process. It's easy, it's not difficult at all. Just roll, roll, then seal up. You're going to be rubbing the egg wash, at the tip of the dough. Then you roll to seal up, and that is it. So that is it. Isn't this cool? Well rolled. Our fish roll is well rolled. Alright guys, so you're going to repeat the same process until you exhaust, your dough and your fish filling. You're going to repeat the same process until you exhaust the dough and the fish filling, guys. So this is it. We are done with rolling our fish roll. So the next step is to heat up the oil, not too very hot. On a low heat, you add your fish roll dough and start frying, guys. You're going to love this recipe. It was so delicious and tasty. Please, low heat to enable it to cook well. All right, very important. So you flip over to the other side. So as you guys can see, our fish roll is almost ready. It's ready when it's golden brown. Yes guys, when it's golden brown. Isn't this yummy, guys? Are you seeing what Isn't this yummy, guys? So we are done with frying our fish roll. You keep frying till you exhaust your dough. All right, so this is it, guys. Yum yum, guys. Are you seeing this? Wow, this is good. Enjoy with any drink of choice. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to please like, share, and as well subscribe. Guys, please subscribe. See you in my next one and have a lovely day. Bye bye.